I'm Ken Reed, and we are now looking at the Green Building Decision Kit display page number 21 about landscaping options. 21A is conventional versus environmental focused landscaping. 21B is personal versus professional landscapers. How to choose a landscaper, for example. 21C is site considerations. 21D is water issues. 21E is natural and native plants for your region. 21F is existing foliage and trees, how to use them to best advantage for saving energy or water. 21G is xeriscape, edible landscaping and gardens. These are relatively new topics within the last few decades, but yet very important, especially as food becomes more expensive and we become concerned about what's in our food. 21H is for dry climate options. 21I is efficient water systems, and 21J is other considerations.